This is Kenneth from JLG Blythe, and today I'll be installing this Maximus-3 hook anchor. It sits behind the Fairlead, and it's pretty simple install, but follow along. If you already have your Fairlead installed, you need to remove the Fairlead from the bumper. For this particular Fairlead, it was a 18mm bolt and a 19mm nut. Be careful that you don't drop the nut, washers, or anything down the bumper, because you will need a magnet to get them out. After getting the Fairlead off, it's time to get the Maximus-3 hook anchor installed. This time we're going to go ahead and get the hook anchor lined up with the 4 outer holes. They kind of line up with the elongated slots in the front bumper that are already there from the factory. I go ahead and put the Allen button head bolts in there. From the inside, put the nuts. And then once you get all those 4 installed, be ready to go ahead and put the Fairlead back on. Alright, one thing to note is that the bolts were almost too short to fit through the Fairlead, the hook anchor, and the factory bumper. I could not get the lock washers back on, so I opted to use some blue Loctite instead of lock washers. Sooner or later I may get some longer bolts to put them through there, but I'm sure that that'll work just fine. So all I used was a bolt and the nut on the inside. Made it a lot easier just to have to worry about putting the nut on whenever you reach down inside the bumper like that. So it's your choice, or your Fairlead, for different brand might have come with longer bolts from the factory and it might be just fine. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our page. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks.